Hello guys, my name is Leah Migaed. So, today we are going to demonstrate on how to do a DNA test extraction. Step 1. Put a warm water in a cup with a half of a spoon of salt and stir thoroughly. Steps 2. Measure 1/4 solution for gargling 1 minute. Steps 3. Pour few drops of liquid detergent. Stir gently to avoid bubbles. Steps 4. Add 50 ml of cold alcohol and pour that without disturbing the solution. Steps 5. Wait for 10 or more minutes to observe the formation of DNA structure. After 10 or more minutes, you will see your DNA like this.